Alright guys, today we're throwing this and it explodes and makes fireworks, so neat. Alright. Why didn't it work? Woo! Did you hear that? That was amazing. Alright, it's busted. I'm going to do one more. If I just bring it here. It's busted because it just exploded. Look at that, that's busted. So I'm going to grab one of these. I'm going to try it one more time. One more time. So, apparently, come out of there. Sorry. So, go place it in. Alright. Yep, this is good. Ready? Oh, it didn't work. It didn't work! Oh, it busted again. I need this. Can I have help?
Is it in there?
Do it. Right? Got it. Woo! That was good. Oh, it completely busted. Guys, look. Oh, it fell out of the hole. Alright, bye.